Hello YouTubers, I have had a request to test the audio on my Samsung Galaxy S4 Mini. So what I'm going to do is compare it to the iPod Touch. I've got my speaker rig up here for my Play Touch, so what I'm going to do, I'll do the iPod Touch 4th Gen first, and then I'll do the Galaxy S4 just to see what the differences are. Now, I'm not really holding out much for the iPod Touch, but you know, you never know. So let's see what the iPod Touch is like. Okay, so that's the iPod Touch. Now I've got to figure out where the speaker is. There it is. Right, so let's see what the Samsung is like. So try that. So there you go, that's the sound test of the Galaxy S4 Mini compared to the iPod Touch 4th Gen. Straight away I could easily tell that the Samsung Galaxy S4 Mini was a lot better and louder, I think, than the iPod Touch. But then the iPod Touch's speaker isn't exactly that great. It would have been interesting to compare it to what the iPod Touch 5th Gen was like, but obviously I haven't got one. So that's the sound test. I'm going to do a couple of other tests. I'm going to do a 1080p test, a 720p test, and a front-facing camera test, just to see what each is like. And I'm going to do it in this kind of low light, just to see what it's like. And then I'll put up some pictures using Flickr. Just to see what the picture quality is like and all that sort of stuff. So I hope you enjoy this video, and I shall now do my video samples. Okie dokie. Bye bye for now.